morning, children. Yes, already we started the unit 6, an icon of civil rights. Yes, half of the speech which is given by Martin Luther King. Okay, half of the speech we have completed. Now remaining part is going to be explained now. Yes. This faith can give us courage to face uncertainty of future. What is the faith? Already we have seen in the previous class. Okay, what is that faith? And here Martin Luther, he trusted the Americans. What is that? Why did he trust? Definitely they will give the freedom, they will give the civil rights for the blacks, the Negroes. Okay, he trusts that on Americans. He trusts on Americans. Yes. Yes, that faith gives us courage to free uncertainty of the future. It will give a tired feet new strength as we continue our forward strides towards the city of freedom. Of course, we have struggled a lot. That's why our feet become too much weary. Means there is no strength in my hands. In my feet. Okay, the freedom fighters, those who are struggling for civil rights, the person they don't have strength to their feet. But the faith, what is the faith? Definitely the Americans will give civil rights. That faith give to their feet new strength. That's why they are going forward to city of freedom. Okay, it is the comparison he compared. Yes, and they are walking towards city of freedom. That faith gave them new strength. That's why they are walking forward to get freedom. Yes. When our days become dreary with low hovering clouds and our night became darker than thousands midnight, we will know that we are living in the creative turmoil of a genuine civilization struggling to be born. I know that. What he is saying? When our days became dreary with low hovering clouds. Okay, our days completely we don't have hope. Okay, and our nights became darker than thousands midnight. We see it is the comparison how did he struggle in the past. Okay, and our days became darker than thousands of midnight. Means their days became thousands of midnight, means they don't have hope. They are struggling for the freedom. But we will know. But they knew. What did they knew? We will know that we are living in the creative turmoil. Turmoil means here danger. Create means great confusion. Okay, we know that we are in the great confusion. But great civilization struggling to be born. We know that we will get the civilization, we will get the civil rights. Definitely we will get. That is, civilization is to be born. It is struggling to be born. Of course, we are in the hopeless position. Of course, we are in the darker position. But we have a hope to get freedom. We are struggling to be born. Means what is the struggles for the civilization? The civilization is to be born. Yes, we are waiting for that. Yes. Today, I come to Oslo as a trustee. I inspired with the renewed dedication to humanity. Yes, here I came here to trustee. Trustee means I trust the Americans. Okay, I inspired renewed dedication of humanity. Okay, here everybody, those who sat in the stage, on the stage. Okay. I am trusting them. They are the human beings. I am trusting everyone. Definitely they will support civil rights. I accept this prize on behalf of all men who love peace and brotherhood. Okay, the person who is loving the peace and brotherhood. Behalf of them, I accept this award. Which award? Nobel Prize Award. I say I come as a trustee for the depths of heart. I am award that this prize is much more than an honor to me personally. Yes, this award gave me honor and happiness personally. Whatever the award is going to be given to me, means the award, personally I am feeling very happy. I am feeling it's an honor to me. He's saying that. Yes. Now this is the now in the next paragraph onwards. Just to see the comparison. How did he struggle and what is the comparison he has given? Just to see. Every time I take a flight, I am always mindful of the many people who make the successful journey possible. The known pilots and unknown ground crew. Yes, and we know that if the person is going to get the flight, okay, and here so much crew means the person, so many people, okay, helped to give successful journey to the person. Here he compared the struggle, he compared that what is that, the struggling to the crew, means now that movement is not only he did not start the freedom, but he did not start it. Okay, so many people are there along with him. Okay, those members are struggling along with Martin Luther. Okay, and here I am always, yes, every time I take a flight. Take a flight means that is a movement. Every time whenever I wanted to struggle, whenever I started the movement, I am always mindful of many people who make successful journey possible. Okay, I am mindful that so many people are there along with me to success the freedom, to get the freedom. The known pilot and unknown ground crew. Okay, some members, known pilots means some members we knew that those who are struggling for the freedom, and some members crew are there on the under the ground, means they are still going on, means the crew members, they are suffering, they are struggling to get the freedom. And I am here to get the freedom, and now I am getting the Nobel Prize. Now I am going to get the Nobel Prize, but it's not possible for me. So many members are there, okay, to struggle to get the freedom. Yes. So you are the dedicated pilots of our struggle who have sat at the control as a freedom movement soared into orbit. Okay. Here you honor not only me, you honor everyone, those who are struggling for movement. Okay. You honor once again Chief Lutely of South Africa, who struggled with and for his people and are still met with the most brutal expression of men's inhumanity to men. And he is requesting, Chief Lutely means here that he is the person of America, and he is requesting the person. What did he is requesting? What is he requesting? Some members struggling to get the freedom. At that time, your American people, your people, white people, they are showing very brutal expression on Negroes. Please excuse them. Please give the freedom for us. He is asking. Yes, you honor the ground crew without whose labor and sacrifices the jet flight to freedom could never have left the earth. Okay, without the crew, without the pilot, jet flight cannot go. Like that, so many people that are struggling for the freedom, without them I cannot get this Nobel Prize. Yes, you honor the ground crew. You have to honor the ground crew means the people, those who are suffering, those who are so much struggling to get civil rights. You have to honor them. Yes, you honor the ground crew without whose labor, sacrifices and jet flight freedom could never have left the earth. Yes, here you have to honor the people, those who are sacrificed their lives. Most of the people will never make headline and their names will not appear in who and whose and who. Yes, here the people there, they sacrificed their lives. We don't know who sacrificed their lives. The names we cannot find in the papers also. So we have to honor them. Yet when years have rolled past, when the blazing light of trust is focused on this marvelous age in which the live men and women will know, children will be taught that we have a finer land and better people, more noble civilization, because these humble children of God were willing to suffer for the righteousness' sake. Yes, here, yes. At when years have rolled past, here years, so many days it's going on. The years were finished. So many years rolled past, and one blazing light of trust. We have a trust. What is the trust? Definitely, we will get the civil rights. Okay, that trust is there. Yes, and focus on the marvelous age which people, better people, yes, which will live, men and women will know, and children will be taught that we have a final land. Okay, the children will know, the father and mother, means the parents will explain to the children, you no need to worry my children, we have a final land. What is the final land? We have a civil, we will get the civil rights. Okay, the children will be taught, the parents are explaining to the children, we will have a civil rights, because these humble children of God, whose humble children means here, what is the meaning of this one? Here humble children of God means the Negro people, whoever struggling to get freedom or civil rights. Okay, those here he is explaining, that expression is what is that? Children of God means all the people, those who are born on the land, all the people are belongs to God. So children of God, he compared all the children means Negroes. Okay, they belongs to the God. Okay, everybody, those who are those who are willing to suffer, they are willing to suffer to get the righteousness. And righteousness sake, righteousness means moral sake they are suffering. What is the moral? To get the civil rights. Okay, they are suffering for it. Okay, yes. I think Alfred Nobel would know what I mean when I say that I accept this award in the spirit of curator of some precious heirloom which he holds in trust for its true owners. Yes, Alfred Nobel, he knew what I am going to say. That's why he holds this prize for me. Okay, Alfred knew means for this name only we are getting the Nobel Prize. Okay, Alfred Nobel, he knew what I am going to give the speech here. That's why he holds this prize for me. He is saying that. Yes, all those to whom beauty is trust and truth beauty. Okay, here means here all those whom beauty is truth, the truth beauty. Here the person who is trying to get the truth, that is the truth is more beautiful than beauty. Okay, Negroes are black in color, no? So he is saying that truth is more beautiful than skin color. Yes, in whose eyes the beauty of genuine brotherhood and peace is more precious than diamonds or silver or gold. Yes, here the person who is being struggling for brotherhood, the person only deserve for the Nobel Prize. Okay, and here who is struggling to get freedom, the Martin Luther King. Okay, yes, see, in whose eyes the beauty of genuine brotherhood and peace is more precious than diamond and silver or gold. Okay, in his eyes, whose eyes? Martin Luther's eyes. What is the valuable thing? Not gold, not diamonds. What is the most valuable thing? That is the brotherhood and peace. So I deserve to get this Nobel Prize. Here this is the speech which is given by Martin Luther King, and in this speech we can understand how did he struggle, what are the problems he has faced. Okay, now I think everybody understood this speech. Okay, thank you. And in the next one you can read about speaker. Yes, Martin Luther King was born on January 15, 1929, Atlanta, Georgia. King, both Baptist minister and civil rights activist, had a systemic impact on race relation in the United States beginning in the mid-1950s. Among many efforts, King headed the SCLS. Through his activism, he played pivotal role in ending the legal segregation of African American citizens in the South and other areas of nation. Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. Among several other honors, King was assassinated in April 1968 and continues to be remembered as one of the most lauded African American leader in history, often referred by his 1963 speech, "I have a dream." Yes, see, this is the dream. Okay, this is the speech, "I have a dream." What is the dream? Definitely we will get the civil rights. Okay, finally he was assassinated by someone, means he was murdered by someone. At the time, when did he assassinated? Yes, in April 1968 he was assassinated by someone, means the whites, they couldn't bear this. What is the bear? Means the Negroes are going to get the civil rights, no? So that's why they couldn't bear this. One of the American, one of the whites killed him. Okay, this is the lesson of an icon of civil rights. I hope everybody understands.